Shri Anubhav Mohanty.
Thank you so much, sir. So the Coconut Development Board under the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare has come up with a scheme of area expansion in coconut farming by providing a financial assistance of rupees 6,500 for 2 years, and that too in an installment of rupees 3,250 per annum. So the board also initiated the formation of coconut producer societies by associating 4,200 coconut growers in a contiguous area with a consolidated minimum of 4,000 to 5,000 palms. So the objective is socio-economic upliftment of the farmers through productivity improvement, cost reduction, efficient collective marketing and processing, and product diversification. Sir, the government is well aware of the fact that the cultivation of coconut costs around rupees 80,000 per annum for 2 years, and an assistance of rupees 6,500 is too meager an amount. Hence, it is requested that as the board itself envisages the socio-economic upliftment of the farmers through this scheme, at least an amount of rupees 40,000 should be provided as assistance to the coconut farmers. And sir, as Odisha is very much naturally prone to calamities, sir, in the last Fani cyclone, sir, I'll just say, sir, all the coastal belts, coastal regions, especially I will say, suppose Sakshi Gopal, nearly 1 lakh of coconut trees have been devastated. 50,000 farmers' family, they are on roads, sir. So state government has done enough to give them, to rejuvenate them, but it is not adequate enough. I request through you to the Honorable Minister of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare to kindly look into this matter and give the amount of assistance provided to the coconut farmer producers and enhance it to a reasonable amount so that farmers are able to implement the scheme successfully in the state of Odisha and elsewhere. Thank you so much, sir.
Shri D.